What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create account in Phantom Wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, what you have to do is you just have to download the Phantom Wallet extension first. So I'm on Google. I'm just going to search for Phantom Wallet and I'll go to the first link, which should say like Chrome App Store, and then I'm going to add this to my Chrome. And now the Phantom Wallet will be installed to my Chrome. You will be able to download the Phantom Wallet app as well if you are trying to do this in your mobile device. Once your Phantom wallet is installed, you just have to open it up. As you can see, it is just installed and it will automatically open up. Here you just have to click on this create new wallet, and then here you just have to set a quick password. So I'm just going to quickly set a password right here. So there you go. Make sure to use the password with small letters, capital letters, and symbols. It makes the password strong. And then you have to agree the terms and click on continue. Once you do that, you just have to make sure to click on this high and then save this recovery phrase, because this is very important. If you lost this, you won't be able to recover your wallet, just in case if you forgot the password or anything. Once you do that, just click on continue and then click on get started. There you go. That's how you were able to create a Phantom wallet account without any problem. Hope you guys find this very helpful.